Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 14, exercise 12C of chapter number 12. Now I shall start exercise 12D of chapter number 12. So let's go to the first question. Construct the following triangles. Calculate the third angle in each triangle and measure this angle to check the accuracy of your construction. Okay, that means what? Here in this case what? We shall construct triangles. Okay, then after that we shall find the third angle. Okay, then after finding the third angle we shall check the accuracy of the triangle, that whatever you have constructed, it is correct or not. So let's start with the first question. In triangle ABC, in which AB equals to 7.4 centimeter, angle BAC equals to 47 degree, angle ABC equals to what? 68 degree. So first we shall write whatever there. So let's start. See, so question number 1, write first, given AB equals to 7.4 centimeter. Right, given AB equals to 7.4 centimeter. AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. Next, angle BAC equals to 47 degree. Angle BAC equals to what? 47 degree. 47 degree. Next what? Angle ABC equals to what? 68 degree. Angle ABC equals to what? 68 degree. So in the last exercise what? We have constructed only one angle. But here in this case what? We shall construct what? Two angles in the triangle. Two angles in the triangle. So as like earlier, how we have constructed one, then after that what? Again we shall do the same steps and we will be doing this one at what? At extreme right corner. So see, first what? First you take AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. Let me draw a rough sketch of the figure before drawing the accurate one. Okay. So see, take AB as a what? Base of the triangle. AB as a what? Base of the triangle. So if I take AB as a base of the triangle, then AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. 7.4 centimeter. Now, with your protractor at A, you draw what? You see BAC, angle BAC. So what? Angle BAC means what? We are talking about angle A. The letter which is in the middle portion, this is the what? Main angle. Angle BAC, that means what? We are talking about angle A. And angle ABC, that means what? We are talking about angle B. That means what? You need to see which letter is in the middle. The middle letter is the main angle. Okay, we are talking about that angle. So see what? Angle BAC equals to what? 47 degree. So we shall construct what? Angle A equals to what? 47 degree. So use your protractor to draw angle 47 degree. So all of you take your protractor and place your protractor at center A. At what? At point A. And count. So like this, and count what? And what? And count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, then 45, then what? 47. So it is coming somewhere else like this. Okay. So what? Next what? So we shall join these points. After that what? At angle B, that is what? Angle ABC, that is what? At angle B, we shall draw what? 68 degree. So while taking 68 degree, then you count from left side. Then you count from what? Left side. So 68 degree is coming somewhere else like this. 68 degree. Okay. So what? Just will be what? Just will join these 2 points. Okay. Then we will extend this one. So the point of intersection of the two arms of the angle, the point of intersection of the two arms of the angle will be the point C. Will be the what? Point C. So this point of intersection will be the point C. Understood? Now let us start the Now let us start constructing the triangles. So what? With the help of your ruler, first you draw what? Angle ABC equals to what? 47 degree. Sorry, and line segment AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. Line segment AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. So take this one, 7.4 centimeter. Seven point 7.4 centimeter. Okay, so I took what? 7.4 centimeter. Now write this one AB. You label this point as AB, 7.4 centimeter. Label this point as AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. Now what? Now place your protector at A. Place your protector at A and measure how much? 47 degree. And measure what? 47 degree. So whenever you will be placing your protector at A, at that time you need to what? Count from right to left. From right to left, you count from right to left. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. It is somewhere else like this. 47. Okay. Then what? Then with your ruler, you just join this line. Okay. And makes the arm of the angle long. Makes the what? Arm of the angle quite long. Make the arms of the angle quite long. Now come to point B. So at point B, what? Angle ABC equals to 68 degree. So place your what? Protector at B and draw what? 68 degrees. 60, 65, 68. It is coming like this here. Now what? Now join these 2 points. Join these two. Now join these 2 points, then we will get what? The arms will intersect at point C. The arms of angle A and the arm of angle B will intersect at point C, and this is the required point, that is what? C. So this point of intersection will be what? C, and this one you give this one as what? Okay, this one you give as what? X, this one, and this one you give as Y. Okay, now you write the steps of construction. So that is what we have done. So let me once again I am explaining the process of the steps of what? Construction. First you take AB equals to 7.4 centimeter as given in your book. Then what? At placing your placing your protector at angle at point A, you draw what? Angle. You draw angle what? 47 degree. So it is what? 47 degree. And again placing at B, you draw what? 68 degree. Okay, 68 degree. Now these two arms, arm of angle A and arm of angle B, will intersect at point C. That this point of intersection is the point C. So this is the required point. Okay, now what? Now the process of what? Construction, the steps of construction is finished. Okay, now let us write the steps of construction, whatever we have done. Okay, after that what? We will be calculating. Okay, so write so write what? Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Number 1 step. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. So what? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 7.4 centimeter. After that what? Using your protector, draw an angle using your protector, using your protector, using your protector, draw an angle. So this one diagram, you just keep this one in one place. Okay, draw an angle XAB. Draw an angle what? Draw an angle XAB, or what? BAX. Draw an angle what? BAX. Draw an angle BAX. Draw an angle what? BAX. Draw an angle BAX of 47 degree. X of what? 47 degree. BAX of 47 degree. 47 degree at A. So step 2 finished. Now again what? Okay, step 3. Again using right. Again using the protector. Again using the protector, draw using the protector. Again using the protector to draw. Again using the what? Again using the protector to draw the second angle. To draw the second angle. Second angle what? Second angle will be ABY. Second angle will be what? ABY. This one ABY. Just we are taking angle B. So directly you can write also angle B. No problem. So again using the protector to draw second angle ABY equal to how much? 68 degree. AB equal to what? 68 degree. 68 degree at the point B. 68 degree at the point B. Okay. Now write what? Now write at B. Let the point. So let AX and BY meet at, that is what? After this one, then these two arms will what? Intersect. So what? Let AX and BY meet at point C. Point C. Okay. So after constructing these two arms will meet at what? Point C. So let the AX and BY meet at point C. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle. Then this one you give step 4. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle drawn. Required triangle drawn. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle drawn. So these are the steps of construction. Okay. So now come to question number 2. In triangle PQR, in which PQ equals to 6 centimeter, Q equals to angle Q equals to 50 degree and angle P equals to what? 60 degree. So it is same like, okay. So what? You see the figure, it will be like this again. Okay. So if I draw a rough sketch, then what? Let me take this one what? As what? PQ. So what? Let me take this one PQ. So what? PQ. Then what? At P I shall draw what? 60 degree, and at Q what? I shall draw what? At Q I shall draw 50 degree. Okay. Then PQ, then this point of intersection will be the what? R. So what? Let us draw PQ 7. What? PQ how much given? PQ 6 centimeter, and angle P equals to 60 degree, and angle Q equals to what? 50 degree. It is exact like question number 1. Only the angles are changed. Okay. So let me draw this one. Then what? Then first you take what? Your ruler. First you take a ruler and draw what? PQ equals to 6 centimeter. So what? PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. So PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. So PQ 6 centimeter taken. So we give this one as PQ, as you have already drawn the rough sketch of the triangle. So this is what? 6 centimeter. Now at P I shall draw how much? At P I shall draw, so what? 60 degree. So take your protractor. And measure 60 degree. Start counting from right to left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So it is coming somewhere else. Okay. 60 degree. Okay. Now join this one. PA. You join this one and make sure that you just keep the arms of the angle quite long. Okay. Arms of the angle quite long, because the arms from Q will intersect this arm. For that reason what? I need to keep this one long. So an angle Q equals to what? 50 degree. So again you take, whenever you be measuring at Q, that means what? Whenever you will be taking the point, whenever you shall take the point, left point of the triangle, then start counting from right to left. Okay. And whenever you will be taking the point Q, at that time you start what? Counting from left to right. Keep in your mind this one. Okay. So you see from left to right. Left to right if I start, then it is what? 50 degree. So it is coming here 50. Okay. Now you join these two lines. Now what? You join these two lines. Okay. Then the what? Then the two arms will what? Get intersected. Then the what? Two arms will get what? Intersected at some point, and this point will be the required R point. This point of intersection will be the what? Required R point. Okay. Now this one you make. Okay. So this one you give X. This one you give what? Y. Okay. Now what? Let's start what? Now let's start writing the what? Steps of construction. So what? You just write this one here. I will what? Erase the below. So it will remain same. Steps of construction you can write from your own. Okay, no problem. It is not that you have to memorize these lines. Okay, these words. Steps of construction means what? How we have drawn. The steps of how we have drawn. You have to write this one. So you know English better. So you write like this. Okay, no problem. So what? So first of all, what? Draw a line segment. What? PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. Line segment what? PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. So here what? It will be PQ. It will be what? PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. PQ equals to what? 6 centimeter. Then what? Using your protractor, angle what? Angle using your protractor, angle QPX, angle QPX, angle QPX equals to what? 60 degree. This one 60 degree you have drawn, and this one what? 50 degree. Okay, so QPX of 60 degree at 60 degree at P, 60 degree at P. Okay, and again using the protractor to draw second angle, what? That is this angle. So I can write this on PQY. So what? It will be what? PQY equal to what? 50 degree. Equal to what? 50 degree at the point what? At the point Q. At the point Q. Okay. Let what? Let PX and YX. Okay. Let what? PX and QY. QY what? Meet at point what? The required point is what? R. Okay. Meet at what? R. Okay. Then the triangle what? PQR. You can say PQR. Then the triangle what? PQR. PQR is the required triangle drawn. So this is the what? Steps of construction. Now what? Now come to question number 3. In triangle XYZ in which YZ equals to 5.8 centimeter, angle Y equals to 100 degree and angle Z equals to what? 40 degree. Now what? Draw the perpendicular from Y to XY. A new line has been added. That is what? Draw the perpendicular from Y to XY. What? XY. So what? We need to draw the perpendicular. So this one we have already done. How to draw a perpendicular. Okay. So what? So first what? So exact like up to this much we will do exact like. Okay. And what? After that what? From Y to XY exact I need to draw a what? Perpendicular. Okay. Let me show. Let me draw the rough sketch. Okay. Suppose this is the triangle what? This is the triangle. Okay. X, Y, Z. Okay. So what? In X, Y, Z. So what given? YZ given what? 5.8 centimeter. And YZ, XY we need to find what? Angle Y equals to what? 100 degree. And what? Z equals to what? 40 degree. So somehow we have drawn. After that it is said that what? Draw the perpendicular from Y to XZ. Draw the perpendicular from Y to XZ. Y to XZ. That is what I need to draw the perpendicular from Y to XZ. So this is the side XZ. So I need to draw what? Perpendiculars. So how to draw perpendiculars? This one already I have shown. So again I am saying, okay. First what? You take your what? Compass. So what? You just take your compass. Okay. Then what? Just take what? More than half of XZ. The distance whatever there. Okay. With a convenient radius. That is what? More than half of XZ. You take. Okay. Then what? You just give here one arc. Okay. So if you draw like this, then from there, if you give one arc, so it will do like this here. Okay. So from there also if you do, then it will come like this. Again without what? Changing the distance between the compass needle and the pencil. You would what? You just give two arcs again. So it will cut here and this will also cut here. Okay. So now you just add the point of intersection. Okay. Like this if you add, then this required line segment will be the what? Perpendicular. And we can say that what? This is also a perpendicular bisector also. Okay. So let's start with the figure. So first draw the triangle. What is there? It is given that what? YZ So that was question number 2. You write everything given and everything all. Okay. So in question number 2, what is in question number 3, what is given? YZ equals to what? 5.8. So first to take YZ equals to 5.8. YZ equals to what? YZ equals to what? 5.8. Y is equal to what? 5.8. So this is what? Y. This is what? Z. This is what? 5.8 centimeter. Now what? At angle Y 100 degree and Z at angle Y 100 degree. So at angle Y 100 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this one 100. Okay. So what? One thing you do. You just keep this one Y. So what? You just place this Y here. Here you Z, Y. ZY and YZ both are same. So if I take this 100 degree from there, so it will be like this. So it will come here. Okay, 100 degree. And Z how much? 40 degree. So first you draw this one. And makes the arms of the angle what? Quite long. Okay. And what? And angle Z 40 degree. Angle Z what? 40 degree. Okay. Now what? Now just what? You just join these 2 points. Okay. So X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z. We have constructed the what? Triangle. X, Y, Z what? X, Y, Z. We have constructed the what? Triangle. Now draw the perpendicular from Y to XZ. So this is what? XZ. That means what? I need to draw the perpendicular of this one. So what? So take a convenient radius more than half of XZ. So what? More than XZ, just with your eye. Okay, more than half of that one you take. Okay, and what? Give an arc here. Okay. Okay, and here also one arc. Okay. Okay. Then without changing the distance, again placing at what? This intersection point, and cut this. Okay. By placing this one here. So placing here, just cut this. Okay. So now you join this with your what? Ruler. Will get. Now what? Now you just join this one. Just join these two. That will be the what? Perpendicular. So this will be the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So this will be the what? Perpendicular bisector. Okay. Perpendicular from what? Perpendicular what? Y. From Y I have what? Constructed. Okay. So this is the what perpendicular what from y to xz. So this is the what perpendicular. Now what you write the steps of construction. So up to that much it will remain same. Okay. So this one you give what? So this one you give what? A, and this one you give what? B. Okay. And this point of intersection you give what? P. This one you give what? Q. This one you give what? Q. So what? Now what you need to, now question number 3. So question number 3, whatever given you write, okay, just I am not writing, okay, whatever given you write, angle, measurement and everything whatever given. Now what you just change here, then you need to write 2 lines extra, okay. So what? Draw a line segment, what? Draw a line segment. Okay, zy yz same thing. Okay, zy yz same thing. So what? 5 point yz goes to what? 5.8 centimeter. Using the protractor, okay, draw an angle yz. So y we have drawn how much? Oh sorry, z we have drawn how much? 40 degree. Z what? 40 degree. And this was what? 100 degree. Okay. So what? Z yz a draw an angle, draw an angle yz a of what? Yz a of 40 degree at z, 40 degree at z. Again using the protractor to draw second angle, that is what? This one. So you can write zyb or yzb, or write zyb equals to what? 100 degree, equals to what? 100 degree at the point y, at the point y. Let what? Let what? By and zx, let what? Za, let Za and by, Za and by meet at point what? X, at point X. Okay, at point X. Then the triangle PQR is the required triangle drawn. Then the triangle XYZ, here will be, then the triangle what? XYZ is the required triangle. XYZ is the what? Required triangle drawn. Okay. So question number 1 and 3 both are same. Okay. Question number 1, 2, 3 I have drawn. So 1, 2 and 4 are same, and 3 and 5 are same. So I have drawn 1, 2, 3. So 4 it is exact like question number 1 and 2, and 5 it is exact like question number 3. So 1, 2, 3 I have drawn 1, 2, 3. So this will solve what? 4 and 5. So you practice this 4 and 5 like this exact all these things. Just 2 you practice. Okay, 4 and 5 exactly. Okay, just interchange the value, then you get. Now what? 2 lines you need to write extra here at 5 step. 1 step you need to write extra. That is what? Draw the perpendicular bisector of side GH. Okay, sorry, side. So side what? XZ. So what? So right, take take a, or you write with Z as center, with Z as center, take more than half of zx, take more than half of zx as radius, okay, as radius, and draw two arcs, at upper and lower portion, okay. I am just erasing this line. At upper and lower portion of the line, segment zx, okay, zx, okay. Then number 6 steps, do or repeat the same steps, right, without changing the radius, without changing the radius, and taking now what, x as center, x as center, draw two more arcs, which will cut the first two arcs, at point P and Q, Number 7, join P and Q with ruler. Then PQ is the required perpendicular. Here I am not writing the what, just I am giving the symbol, okay. Required perpendicular drawn. Okay. This is what perpendicular symbol, required perpendicular drawn. Okay. So what? Now come to exercise what, 12E. So 1, 2, 3 I have done, 4, 5 it is exact like what is the question number 4 is exact like what question number 1 and 2, and question number 5 is exact like question number 3. So you can do like this. Okay. Now come to exercise 12E. So what, in exercise 12E what is given? In triangle ABC, right angled at B, in which AC equals to 10 centimeter, AB equals to 8 centimeter. So what? In exercise 12B, we will be discussing about the right triangles. So what are right triangles? As I said that the triangle which have one angle measuring what 90 degree. It is called what? Right triangle, as we have known these things earlier. Okay, that means what? ABC right angled at B. That means what? ABC right angled at B. That means that we need to draw what? 90 degree at B. In triangle ABC right angle at B. That means that I need to draw, or we need to draw what? 90 degree at angle B. 90 degree at angle B. In which what? AC equals to 10 centimeter and AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So in a right triangle we know one base is there, one perpendicular is there, and the longest side what we call? What we call it is what? Hypotenuse. We call it what? As hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the what? Longest side. So how to identify in a triangle that this is the hypotenuse? Yes, the opposite of right angle, it is the what? Hypotenuse. The opposite, the side which is opposite to right angle, or the side which is opposite to 90 degree, it is called what? Right. It is called what? Hypotenuse. So see. Suppose this is a what? A right triangle. Okay. So this is what? 90 degree. We know. And the opposite of the side which is opposite to 90 degree, this is what? Suppose A, B, C. So this side is called what? Hypotenuse. This is called what? Perpendicular side. And this is what? Base. Okay. And this side is called what? And this side is called what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So this side is called what? Hypotenuse. That is what? The opposite of a right angle, the side which is opposite to right angle, it is what? Hypotenuse. That is what? The side which is opposite to 90 degree, it is what? Right triangle. So if I draw like this, a triangle, okay? Then which one? This is right angle. Then hypotenuse will be which one? Yes, obviously this one will be the what? Hypotenuse. So if I draw a triangle like this, okay? Then if this is 90 degree, then which one is the right triangle? This side will be the what? Right triangle. So if I draw like this, then this is 90 degree, then opposite of 90 degree, this side is the opposite of 90 degree. So this will be what? Hypotenuse. Okay. So I hope that you have understood. Now let's start constructing the right angles. And hypotenuse is the longest side. You remember that one? Hypotenuse is the what? Longest side in a right triangle. In a right triangle. Okay. So you see 12E. 12E, what is there? ABC right angle at B. ABC right angle at what? At B. Okay, ABC right angle at B. Okay, that means what? Let me draw the rough sketch. A right angle at B. So this one AB. So right angle at B, that means what? There will be what? 90 degree. Okay, then this will be what? AC. Okay, so given what? AB how much given? AB 8 centimeter. Okay, then AC will be somewhere else. Okay, AC 10 centimeter. So how we shall draw? Solve? Draw. First we will draw what? AB equals to what? AB equals to 8 centimeter. Then what? Then at B, by using what? By using compass. We shall not use what? Protractor to draw 90 degree. By using compass, we shall draw what? 90 degree. Okay, we shall draw what? We shall draw what? 90 degree. That is what? If I draw the perpendicular, then it will become what? 90 degree. So what? So I shall draw what? 90 degree. Okay. So what? I shall draw what? 90 degree. Then after that I shall make the arms of the angle B quite long. Then with the help of what? For this word compass, I shall take what? 10 centimeter from the scale. I shall take what? 10 centimeter from the scale, and placing at A, I shall cut what? this the arm of angle B. Okay, then the point of intersection will be the what? Required point C. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so see what? First draw a triangle ABC. So take AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So what? Take AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So first to take AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So this one AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. I have drawn. Now at B I shall draw what? At B I need to draw what? Right angles. So how to draw right angles? Yes. So what? First of all what? How to draw? Yes. First to take a convenient radius, okay, according to your wish, and what? And draw an arc. Okay. Then without changing the radius, from this point of intersection draw another arc. Again without changing, from there you again what? Draw another. Okay, from there you draw what? Another. Okay, again from this you draw another. Okay, again from this you draw another. Okay, then this point of intersection and this point of intersection you add, you will get what? Perpendicular. Okay, without changing the what? Radius. Okay, okay, now you add this one, just you what? Join this one and this one, you'll get what? So this is the what? This is the perpendicular bisector, and this will be what? Sorry, this is what? Perpendicular I have done 90 degree. Okay, using what? Using compass. Okay, now what? Now, so first what you have done? I have taken the what? Compass, and with a convenient radius I have drawn an arc. Then I have cut the same arc with the same measurement, taking without changing the what? Without changing the what? Distance between the compass and the needle and the what? Pencil, and we have what? Constructed what? 90 degree. So from here one arc, then placing it, I cut this one, then again from this one I cut, again from this one also I cut. So it is easy. Okay, now what? Now what? Take what? AC. I need to do what? AC how much? 10 centimeter. So what? Take AC 10 centimeter. That means what? You just from scale you take what? AC 10 centimeter. This somehow like this 10 centimeter I have taken. Now what? Now placing this one at A, to just what? Cut. Okay, so this point of intersection will be what? C. This point of intersection will be what? C. This point of intersection will be what? C. Now join this one. This point of intersection will be what? This point of intersection will be what? C. Okay, so this one 10 centimeter we have drawn. 10 centimeter we have drawn. Okay, so this is the construction. Okay, once again I am explaining. First draw 8 centimeter what? AB, length 8 centimeter AB. Then what? Draw 90 degree at angle what? At point B. How? Yes, first you take a convenient radius in your compass, draw an arc, then from there you draw another arc, from there you draw another, from there again another, from there again another. Then the point of intersection and this B you join, you will get what? 90 degree. After that what? Take what? From the scale you take what? 10 centimeter like this from scale, and what you cut from A, you cut this one, so it will cut somewhere else like this here. So this will be the required SC. Okay, now write what 10 centimeter. So this is the what? So this is our required figure. Now what? Now you write the steps of construction. So write. Alright, draw a line segment AB equals to what? 4.5. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So steps of construction. Number 1. You write given and everything. Okay. Okay, let me write once again. Given AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. What? And angle B equals to what? 90 degree. And right angle at B. And AC equals to what? AC equals to what? 10 centimeter. Now what? Steps of construction. Right, steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Number 1 step. Number 1 step, what you have done? Yes. Draw a line segment. What? Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 8 centimeter. So right. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB equals to 8 centimeter. So this is the figure portion. Let me separate this one. AB equals to what? AB equals to 8 centimeter. Number 2. Number 2 will be what? With AS center. Draw with AS center and radius 6 centimeter. Sorry, with now what? Draw number 2 with a convenient radius. So what? So what? With a convenient radius. With a convenient radius. With a convenient radius. Draw. With a convenient radius. Draw what? What? Draw so this point of intersection you give this one. So this one point of intersection you give this one E. Okay. So what? With a convenient radius, draw what? BE perpendicular AB. Draw BE perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular AB. Okay. That means what? We need to draw 90 degree. BE perpendicular. Draw BE perpendicular AB. Okay. Draw BE perpendicular AB. AB at B. At point B. At point B. At point B. Okay. Now what? Now with AS center, right? With AS center. With AS center. Center and radius. With AS center and radius equals to what? Radius, that means what? Radius equals to 8 centimeter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. With AS center and radius with AS center and radius. And you write and. With AS center and radius 10 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Draw an arc Draw an arc. Here you give E. It will be better. Okay. At last, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Okay. Draw an arc. Okay. With AS center and radius. With AS center. With AS center and radius equals to 10 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc to cut. Draw an arc to cut BE. To cut BE at C, at point C. At point C. To cut BE at point C. Step 3. Now join A and C with ruler. Now what? Join A and C with ruler. Then the right angled ABC. Then the right. Then the what? Then the right angled. The right angled ABC is drawn. Then the right angle ABC is drawn. Okay. Okay. Now come to, you see, in question number in what to say, exercise 12b, all questions are same. All are same steps. Okay. So let me solve from 3. From 4 I shall solve 3 questions. Okay. So which one I shall draw? You see question number. If I solve question number 2, then it will solve question number. So question number 1 and 4 same. Okay. So question number 1 and 4 same. Okay. So I shall solve only 1 and 4 same. So 1 I have solved already. So 1 and 4 same. Okay. Right angle at T in which ST. Okay. Exact. Okay. Just to change the what? Values. So 1 and 4 same. 1 and 4 same. So 2, 3 I am solving. Okay. So 2, 3 also same. Okay. But also I am solving. So in triangle PQR, right angle at R in which hypotenuse PQ equals to 10 centimeter and side PR equals to what? 7 centimeter. All are same. So what? Now what? PQR. So I shall take PR equals to 7 centimeter. So what? PR equals to 7 centimeter. So it will be like this. If I draw a rough sketch, then PR 7 centimeter. So like this, let me take this one PR, okay, PR 7 centimeter, okay, and at R 90 degree I shall draw. So then PQ will be 10 centimeter. So it is like same, exact like same, okay. Earlier 8, now it is what? 7. It is same, exact like question number 1. Earlier it was 8, now it is what? 7. So what? Take what? 10 centimeters. PR 10 centimeter. PR 10 centimeter. Okay. Oh, sorry. PR 7 centimeter. So PR 7 centimeter. PR 7 centimeter I have taken. 7 centimeter. Now at R I shall draw what? 90 degree. So at R I shall draw what? 90 degree. Okay. So take a convenient radius, and draw at R. Okay. Now what? Pointing at this one, draw one arc. Again from this one, draw what? Draw another arc. Okay. Again from this one, draw another arc. Again from this one, draw another arc. So this will intersect. Okay. Now what? Now just join. Now just join this one. Now just what? Join this. Join this one with your what? Join this one with your ruler. Okay? Join this one with your what? Ruler. So this one you give what? So this point. Now what? Later on I shall give name. Now what? Take what? PQ how much? PQ again 10 centimeter. PQ again what? So PQR. So PQ what? 10 centimeter. So what? From there you take what? 10 centimeter. It's like earlier you take 10 centimeter. So somehow I have taken what? 10 centimeter. Okay. So what? Placing at P you just cut. Okay. So 10 centimeter I have taken. Okay. Now what? Now you join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. And this point will be the required Q point. So this will be the required Q point. Okay. Okay. Q point. Now what? So this one will give what? E. Okay. E or PQR, or you can give this one as S. S. Okay. You give this one as S. Now what? Now just you what? This question number 2. This question number 2. So question number 2. Okay. Right. Given what? Given PQ equals to what? 10 centimeter. Then PR equals to 7 centimeter. Then angle R equals to what? 90 degree. Okay. Steps of construction. So what steps of construction will be changed? Okay. Here in case of AB, it will be what? PR. So write PR to 7 centimeter. And with convenient radius, draw what? This one. Draw SR perpendicular PQ. SR perpendicular SR perpendicular PR at R, at point R, okay. Now what? With what? With PS center, and radius equals to what? 10 centimeter. Draw an arc to cut what? SR. You write RS. It will be alphabetically RS. Okay. Write RS to cut RS at point Q. Okay. RS at point Q. Now join what? P and Q with ruler. Then the right triangle PQR is drawn. Right triangle PQR is drawn. Then the right triangle PQR is what? Drawn. Then the right triangle PQR is drawn. So these are the steps of construction, and this is the figure. Okay. Now 1, 2 done. Okay. So 1, 2 and 4 all are same. 1, 2, 4 same. Okay. And 3 also same. But here directly given angle N. Without writing right angle at N, it is given directly what? Angle N. So it is also same. Okay. So let me draw. So this one finished. Now come to question number 3. LMN in which Mn equals to 5.9. So see. Let me draw the rough sketch. Okay, rough sketch, it is given what? Mn. So I shall take this one Mn. So at n it will be 90 degree. This one here, one thing you remember, here I have not given 90 degree, so you give in all figure 90 degree. It is what? 90 degree. If I have given, then to correct, and if I have not given this 90 degree, then in all case you give 90 degree. Don't forget to give 90 degree in all figure. Okay. Then what? Then at n I shall draw what? 90 degree. Then what? Then this will be what? L. So Lm how much given? 8.4. This is what? 8.4 centimeter. So I shall draw this one. Okay. So this is exact same. Okay. So what? Mn how much given? Mn 5.9 and 8.4. 5.9 centimeter. Okay. So take 5.9 centimeter from the ruler. So 5.9. Okay. 5.9. 5.9. It is almost 6. It is almost 6. So Mn 5.9 centimeter. Now what? At n I need to draw 90 degree. That means at n I need to draw the perpendicular. So what? So what? Take a convenient radius. Okay, and draw an arc. Okay, now with the same you just draw one arc here. Okay, then from there also what? Draw another arc. Okay, then from this you draw another arc, and from this also what? You draw another arc. So this point of intersection will be what? This point of intersection will be what? 90 degree. My figures will not match accurately, okay, but you will get the accurate 90 degree. You can measure by protractor, you will get 90 degree. After that you can measure by protractor that whether you got 90 degree or not. You just measure by protractor, you will get what? 90 degree. Okay, so this one what? 90 degree we have drawn. Okay, so this one will be Mn. So L, M, N, O. So here this point will give what? O. Okay. Now what? So we shall write later on. Now what? Now let us find L point. So Lm how much given? Lm how much? 8.4. So what? With the help of ruler, 8.4 you take from what? From there you take 8.4. The help of ruler. 8.4. okay. Okay, sum of 8.4 taken. Okay, now what? With the ruler, from ruler you take what? 8.4. okay, like this 8.4 you take. Okay, 8.4 centimeter. Now just draw the arcs. Okay, this cutting here. Now what? This one, this is the point. Okay, so this will be what? L. This one you give what? K. Okay, K. Now what? You join this one. Okay, so this is what? L we got. This is L we got. Okay, now what? Now this one 8.4 centimeter. Okay, so we have drawn exact like earlier. These all are same. Okay, now what? Now Okay, what? Now what? Steps of construction. So question number 3, what is given? First you write. Question number 3, given what? Given what? Given Mn. Mn equals to what? 5.9. Mn is what? 5.9 centimeter. Then Lm equals to what? 8.4 centimeter. Okay. Then what? Then what? Then angle N equals to what? 90 degree. Okay. Steps of construction. So see, draw an angle PR not MN. It will be now MN 5.9. MN equals to what? 5.9 centimeter. With a convenient radius, draw what? KN. KN perpendicular MN. Perpendicular MN at N. MN at N. Okay. With P as center, draw radius what? 8.4 centimeters. With what? With P naught. With what? With M as center. With M as center, draw radius 8.4 centimeter. With M as center and radius 8.4 centimeter, draw an arc to cut what? To cut KN. To cut what? KN at point L. At point L. Now join what? L, M and. Now join L and M. L and M with ruler. Then the right triangle LMN is drawn. LMN is drawn. LMN. LMN is drawn. Okay. So these are the what? Steps of construction. So you see question number 4, RST and T in what? Right angle at T in which ST equals to what? 6.2. So it will be like this. Okay, RST. So just I am drawing what? The rough sketch. Okay. That is question number 4, what? RST. So you take this one as ST, you take 6.2. 6.2 first you take. Okay. Then what? At T you draw. At T you draw 90 degree. At T 90 degree you construct. Okay. At T. Then RST. So this will be what? Point R. So now SR how much given? SR 8.3. So from there with compass you take what? 8.3. So that will be what? The required diagram. So like this what you construct question number 4. So question number 4 also I have shown just to what? Use your what? Compass and ruler to draw. First to take ST 6.2, then draw 90 degree at T, then take SR 8.3 and cut to get it as like earlier. Okay. So this is the end of this chapter, that is chapter number 12, and also the what? End of half yearly courses. And if you find any problem regarding today's class or from the chapters of half yearly courses, then you can call me at night and practice at your home more and more so that you can what? Score a good mark in exam. Thank you very much.